this is a sankalpa. He's commanding the mind. Do like this. Leave everything, go here. And why should we go here? Why should we leave everything and come here? Because there's a great jewel of love here. There's a great jewel of beautiful moods and sweet moods, subhava. He says, subhava sudha rasogam. So this is what it's all about. He says he's commanding the mind to let go of everything else, move to Vrindavan, take shelter of Radharani, and get saved. Sat-tarani. Sat-tarani. Jagat-tarani. Jagat-tarani is a name. Jagat means universe, and Tarani means deliver. It's a name for Durga, for Shiva's wife Parvati. She delivers the universe. Jagat-tarani. So here it says Sat-tarani. Durga is busy delivering the universe, Jagat-tarani. But Radharani is Sat-tarani. Sat-tarani means the devotees, the truth seekers, the seekers of truth, the livers of truth, the worshippers of truth. So she delivers them. She delivers everyone in Vrindavan by her Shakti, by her mercy.